If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on OPPO Reno 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings on our phone, and you want to make sure that airplane mode is not enabled. I know this might sound silly, but sometimes the airplane mode can be enabled by accident, and we just want to make sure that it is not enabled. Now over here, we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi option itself, and in here what you can do is you can simply turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. And this allows you to quickly refresh the Wi-Fi, and hopefully your issue can be solved with this simple turn off and turn on option. If that is not the case, another thing that you can do is you can simply remove the network from your phone. You can forget it if you try to connect or if you were connected to the network before. So in this case, we can go to the settings of the network, and you can completely forget the network. You can remove it from your phone and then try to find it again on this list of available networks. Remember that after a couple of seconds of being in this menu, you can refresh the list of available networks, so this might be helpful as well. And there we go. We can of course enter the password to the network in order to connect to the network again, and hopefully this time it's gonna work. In case you entered an incorrect password, if you try to connect to the network again, and then the phone will ask you to update the password, but in case that doesn't happen, you can disconnect from the network, and of course we can find the change password option. So this is how we can update it. And in case you cannot find the network on this list of saved networks, even though it is supposed to be here, you can tap on these three dots here in the upper right corner, and you can open more settings. Next we're gonna go to save networks, and then in here we can easily remove the network as well. Now another thing that is worth mentioning is that of course we want to make sure that we have issues with the Wi-Fi on the phone itself rather than with the Wi-Fi itself. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to use another device that uses Wi-Fi and try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. In case you can, then of course we can move on with the additional steps over here on this phone. But in case you don't have access to the Wi-Fi on that other device as well, in case it doesn't work properly in some way, then of course this is the indicator that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your OPPO Reno 15. So you want to deal with that first. Alright, so besides that, remember that you can also use the QR code scanner in case you have Wi-Fi QR code, in case you have trouble with finding the network and connecting to it, so this might be helpful as well. And in here we also have the Wi-Fi assistant, which allows you to automatically connect to the best Wi-Fi, which of course, while this feature is great, it might actually screw you up and try to connect to another Wi-Fi that is not necessarily the better one. So you can, for example, turn this option off. There's also the dual channel network acceleration, which once again is a pretty great feature to have enabled, but if you do have it enabled, you can turn it off temporarily in order to see if that makes any difference. And if, for example, your Wi-Fi network keeps disconnecting after some time and the phone does not want to reconnect to that network, then you want to make sure that auto connect option is enabled in the settings of the Wi-Fi network. Now, in case none of this actually helps, what you can also do is you can go to the mobile network in here, and then if you go to more settings, you can find the private DNS option, which you might want to check if it's set to automatic. Of course, this is especially useful if you try to switch up to like a private DNS or something like that. And also if you use some sort of VPN apps or something like that, then of course they can mess the connection as well. So you want to make sure that your VPN is working fine in case you of course use it. And you know, you might want to turn it off temporarily at least to see if that makes any difference. Now, the last thing that we can do, or maybe seconds to last, is to go to System and Update over here. Then we're gonna go to Backup and Reset, and then we have the Reset Phone option where we can find Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, and you want to simply reset all of these three options. So you will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate it, so if you decide to reset that, you will have to, for example, reconnect to your Bluetooth devices as well, and Wi-Fi networks will be erased as well, so you want to go to Wi-Fi and try to connect to your Wi-Fi again, and hopefully this time it works just fine. And of course, you want to also try to restart your phone, so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and you want to restart your phone, because sometimes a simple restart of the device can be helpful as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.